plumber gets home, gonna open a beer. But then his wife starts saying, there's a leak in the faucet. And it turns off the ESPN. It goes in there, takes a look. Sticks his head onto the sink. And he sees the water coming out from under the sink. And this weekend of watching the Super Bowl went down the tube. Yeah. This is a weekend. Nothing but a weekend. Weekend plumber. There's a weekend plumber. Tell 'em about Ruben. Weekend plumber. Can hardly make his ends meet. Weekend plumber. Weekend plumber. Wondering where his kids went. Weekend plumber finds himself at Ace Hardware at 7 in the morning on Saturday. And instead of sleeping in, water's flowing from his main line. And his kids are at a motel with his mother. Your plumber. Weekend plumber. Weekend plumber. Weekend plumber. That is gonna make it right, something that is gonna make it feel right. And he arms himself with PVC and a plumber's pipe, 'cause his weekend is a ruin and it's nothing right.